Okay, so we're going to read a story called Making
Pizza.
And this little girl makes pizza with her mom, and they go through the steps of how to make it. So I've written the steps that she says it takes to make a pizza, and I want you to help me read some of them with me. So step number 1 is make the, what's that word you
dough.
think? Dough, flat and round. So then she goes to step 2. Do you know what that word is?
That's not step 2.
I wrote it wrong. Toss. What does it mean to toss?
Toss the dough.
Toss the dough, so you kind of throw it up in the air, right?
And it spins.
Does your dad do that? He can toss it like that?
I can.
You can too? She says step 3. Spread, what do you think that was? Sauce, you got it. Spread sauce on the bread. So she calls it bread. Step 4, put, what does that chunk say right there? Put, what do you think she puts on it?
Cheese.
Yes, put cheese on. Step 5, put, what do you think that word is?
Pizza sauce.
That's a good guess because it starts with P. What does that chunk say though?
Pepperoni.
Yeah, put pepperoni on.
Yeah. Top.
You got it. And she says step 6, put the pizza in the
oven
to
cook.
You got it. All right, so now that we know these 6 steps.
At Lefty's, you can make a big pizza that big.
A thick one?
A stuffed pizza.
Oh, do you think from these steps, do you think she's gonna make a stuffed one? Let's see.
I made one before that, and it was very
You did. Oh, what's on top?
pepperoni.
There you go. Use your finger for me.
I am baking pizza. Making.
You got it. Nice correction.
You can too.
How did you know that was making instead of baking?
Because it doesn't start with a B.
Very good.
Why?
Use your finger.
Make
Yes.
it flat. Like cheese.
I like how you looked for the chunk. Do you know what this one says again? Like in Thursday. Make it flat like
This.
Good.
Make it round like this.
Very good. What's she doing here?
Flipping it.
Yeah, just tossing it in there. Okay.
To toss
Yes.
it up like this.
Very good.
But don't toss it up to touch it.
That's a good guess. What clues can we use to figure out what this word could be? What are some of the strategies that good readers do?
Get their mouth
They get
ready.
their mouth ready. So, what sound should we make at the beginning? Just the beginning. Just the beginning. If you get your mouth ready to make the first sound.
H.
And what does H say? CH says ch. But what does just plain old H say?
Oh.
Let's try it. But don't, read it with me.
But
Don't toss it up too
high.
What did you say?
High.
Yes. Does that start like that word?
Mm-hmm.
Does it fit?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make sense with the picture? Is she tossing it up too high?
Mm-mm.
Uh-oh. What happened? Was it too high?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh no.
What could you do to help you solve that word? Yes.
Facts.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. High.
Yep. Perfect.
Let
Yep. Why don't you put that down till we finish?
I'm holding.
Okay. Let's.
What?
Did that look like one of the chunks we practiced with before? What does this one say? This chunk. Let's. Alright, I gotta hold it till we finish. Should we skip it and see what would make sense there? Let's try. Oh,
Try.
no, I gave it a word. So okay, you gotta figure that one word out. Let's try.
Is it almost over?
Yep, you only got one more page left.
No.
Let's try.
See, look.
Oh, you're right. Let's try. What sound?
Making.
That's a good guess, but what sound does it start with?
Acting.
Yep. Let's try
Again.
You got it.
We can.
What's this you gonna say?
That's.
If it's gonna say its name because of the magic key, right? We can use. Good. Good. What can they use? They can use this. What sound does it start with? After let's go back to our graphic organizer. After they toss the dough up high, she said they spread the sauce on something. Do you remember what she called it?
Bread.
Yep. Does that look like bread? Okay, so put it in that sentence.
But it's not bread. It's pizza.
Yeah, I know. But what does the word say?